Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are doing well and studying at your home. So, welcome back to your online classes from LPM Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your subject teacher of Social Studies, and in today's video, we are going to go through the exercises of Chapter 5, My Classroom. So students, as you all know, in our previous video we had already covered the explanation of this chapter, and we had also covered the word meanings, the hard words of this chapter. So students, now we are going to cover the exercises of this chapter. So students, this is the part 1 in the series of explanation of exercises of chapter 5. So students, firstly, take out your social studies book and open chapter 5, page number 26. Okay, open chapter 5, page number 26. Okay, so students, also take out your pencil and eraser so that we could do all the exercises easily. Okay, and students, let's start doing these exercises with me. Now students, look at your book. This is your exercise 1. Okay, this is your exercise 1. Okay, so what you have to do in exercise 1, students, you have to choose the correct answer. Okay, so exercise 1 is choose the correct answer. Okay, so here you can see, students, here 4 sentences are given. Okay, 4 incomplete sentences are given, you can see, and each sentences have 3 options. Okay, as you can see, 1, 2 and 3. Each sentences have 3 options, and you have to choose the correct option. You have to choose the correct answer out of these 3 options. Is that clear? Now students, firstly you have to read the sentence, then you have to read these options, and then you have to find out that which option is the suitable for this sentence. Okay, that which option is the correct answer. Okay, and you have to tick on that. Okay, now students, let's start with the first one. So first sentence is teachers write on the dash. So students, where do the teachers write? So teachers writes, option A is wall, option B is picture board, and option C is blackboard. So you all aware about it that in a classroom teachers write on the blackboard. So here you have to write blackboard. Okay, now option C is the correct answer. Is that clear? Now students, move on to the second question, and the second question is, in a classroom there are dash. So in a classroom there are dash. Now you have to choose the correct answer and you have to write here. Okay, here 3 options are given. So option A is desk, option B is beds, option C is shishas. Okay, now students, you have to write the correct answer. Now students, tell me, is it option A is correct, or B, or is it option C? So as you all know, in a classroom there are desks. Okay, in a classroom there are so many desks for the students to sit on that. Okay, to keep their books in the desk on. Is that clear? Because students keeps their books and bags inside the desk. Is that clear? Now move on to the question 3, and the question 3 is, in Subir's classroom there are dash. Now option A is only boys, option B is both boys and girls, and option C is only girls. Now students, tell me, is it option A is correct, or B, or is it option C? So when I explained you this chapter, I had told you that there are so many boys and girls in the Shubir's classroom, so option B is correct. Okay, option B is correct answer. Okay, because there are so many boys and girls in Shubir's classroom. Okay, so you have to write here both boys and girls. Okay, is that clear? Is that clear? Now students, turn your page and come on the page number 27. Okay. Now students, on the page number 27, you can see that question 4 is given. Okay, and question 4 is, we should sharpen our pencils dash. And here 3 options are given. Option A is at our desks, option B is over a dustbin, or option C is only at home. Okay, now students, tell me which one is the correct answer. So option, as you all know, we should sharpen our pencils always over a dustbin. Okay, always over a dustbin. Is that clear? So option B is the correct answer. Okay, so you have to write over a dustbin. Okay, you have to write over a dustbin over here. Okay, is that clear? Now students, our exercise 1 is completed. Now students, move on to the exercise 2. Okay, so let's move on to the exercise 2nd. And exercise 2 is fill in the blanks with words from the box. Okay, fill in the blanks with words from the box. Okay, so here students, you have to fill these given blanks by choosing the words from this box. Okay, so in this box here you can see here so many words are given, and you have to choose the correct words for the each sentence, and you have to fill on the given blanks. Is that clear? Now students, let's start doing exercise 2nd. So here the first sentence in the exercise 2nd is, in a classroom students sit on dash. So students, in a classroom, where do the students sit? So students sit on the chairs. Okay, students sit on the chair. Okay, because you all go to school, you all join your classroom. So students, you are all aware about these things, that every student sit on his chair in the classroom. Is that clear? So we do not sit on duster or dustbin or desk, so we sit on our chairs. Is that clear? So chair is the correct answer. So what you have to do, you have to write chair over here. Okay, you have to write chair over here. Is that clear? Now what is the spelling of chair? The spelling of chair is CHAIR, chair. Is that clear? Now move on to the second sentence, and the next sentence is, students use their dash for writing in classroom. So students, what use in the classroom for writing, students? Can you tell me? What is the thing that students use for writing in the classroom? Is it duster or dustbin? Is it chairs or desks? So you all know students use their desks for writing in classroom. Is that clear? So you have to write desk over here. Okay, in this given blank you have to write desk. Now what is the spelling of desk? The spelling of desk is DESKS, desk. Okay, so you have to write desk over here. Now students, move on to the third one, and third one is, the teacher wipes the blackboard with a dash. Now students, tell me, what is the thing that teacher use for wiping the board? Can you tell me the answer, students? Is it desk or chair? Is it dustbin or duster? So you all know teacher uses a duster for wiping the board in the classroom. Okay, so duster is the correct answer. Okay, so you have to write here duster. Okay, duster, duster. Is that clear? Now students, move on to the fourth sentence, and the fourth one is students throw waste paper in a dash. Now students, tell me, what is the place where students throw the waste papers? Is it duster or chair? Is it desk or dustbin? So students, you all know it is dustbin. Okay, so students throw waste paper in a dustbin. Now what is the spelling of dustbin? The spelling of dustbin is DUSTBIN. Okay, and you have to write dustbin over here. Okay, you have to write dustbin over here. Is that clear? Now students, our exercise second also completed now. So you have to complete this exercise in your book, and you have to learn these two exercises, students, because this is your homework for today. Okay, now students, see you in the next video lesson. Till then, bye bye, take care of yourself.